Okay, guys, I recently received a request to create a chatbot, a customer service chatbot. So, because recently I created a customer service support agent using 11 Labs, where you have to speak to the agent and then it's going to give you a request, like give you answers according to your request. But today I'm using a different software to create a customer service chatbot, and this one you are not speaking to the chatbot, like you are typing and it's going to respond accordingly to you. So I'm going to, it's like the video is going to be very short because it's going to take a very short process for you to set it up. So the chatbot, I'm using this particular website called FastBots.ai, and I'm very sure that not so many people know about this particular software. So it can create your WhatsApp chatbot for you, like without stress. So just log in with your Gmail address, your email address, then you will come to this particular interface here. So you come to build my chatbot. So when you click on build my chatbot, you get here. So what should we call your chatbot? So you can give your chatbot any name. So I want to call it, let me call it Ella. So I will click continue. Then you come here, it says where should it learn from. So like you have to train your chatbot, so like you have to create a knowledge base for the chatbot. So when you ask the customer service agent, where are you located, so it's not going to go blank on you. So we have to train it. And then I'm using this particular hospital, this particular website, from this particular hospital, Cedar Crest Hospital, located in Abuja. So I'm using this particular link to create the knowledge base for that particular chatbot. So I'm just going to copy their link. I'll double click on this link. So if you have a company or maybe you have a small business, you can just do the same thing. And you have, maybe you've created a website for your business, just copy the URL of your website. Or if you don't have a website, you can just type like every questions that you think people might ask regarding your business, just type them in a document format, and you can drop it on the website to train your chatbot. So I've clicked the link. I will come here, I will post it, paste it here. So if you've created, maybe you don't have a website but you created a document for the same purpose, just come here and drop the document. You drop it here. So you drop the document here. So drop a file here. But today I'm using this particular link. So I'm going to click start learning. So it's going to take some little amount of time. So it's going to, okay. So when it's done, I will come back and show you how it's going to look. So now I've finished training my chatbot with the knowledge base with the URL link. So now it's saying edit the details. Do you want to edit the details, or you think it's okay, you want to try it out? So it looks good, try it out. So I want to try it out. I will click here. Okay, so it's saying, so this is the name of our chatbot, Ella. So can I help you today? So let me drag this one here. Okay, so let me type a question. Am I speaking with, let me say, am I chatting Cedar Crest customer service agent? So let me click send and let me get the response. Yes, I'm Cedar Crest Hospital customer support assistant. I can help with appointment, hospital services, location. Okay, let's type the second question. Where are you? Where are you located, please? Okay. Cedar Crest Hospitals has locations in Abuja, Lagos, Niger State, and all the rest of them. So as you can see, as I'm sending my request, is actually replying me. So that means our chatbot is actually okay. So, and one fantastic thing about this particular website is you can integrate this particular chatbot. You can integrate it in your website, your WhatsApp, Instagram, and I think Facebook too. So you can just click continue. Maybe you already love it, you love the response. So you can see it here, add it to my website. So the moment you click add to my website, so it's going to add it automatically to the website. So like what is seen on this particular website, see chat with us. So they did something similar. I didn't say they use this particular software, but they did something similar here. So they added the chat support to their own website too. So you can do it to your own website. That's if you have a website. So you can share it as a link. You can copy the link, or it's going to give you a barcode. You can scan it with your phone and then share it with whoever you want to share it to. Then copy the code and all the rest of them. So you have so many options on how to do it. So I don't want to do no don't take me to my dashboard. Okay, let me click here. Okay, so it's showing one user. So that one user is me. I'm the one using it for now. So we have 4 messages. So this is your dashboard. So this is how the dashboard looks. So you can try this particular thing out at your own free time and see how it works. So this is the link here, app.fastbots.ai. So you can integrate it on your WhatsApp, your Instagram, your Facebook. I think those three, and then your normal website. So thank you so much, guys, and I will definitely see you in the next video.